According to you, I'm stupid, I'm useless, I can't do anything right. According to you, I'm difficult, hard to please, forever changing my mind.
I love myself, I wanna see it when I turn around, look in the mirror. And if you don't like it, you can leave it, 'cause it's my own and I'll keep owning